with the means talk about academic capitalism and the entrepreneurial university. It's a fascinating topic. Basically, it referred to the transformation of the universities into entities that seek to generate income and wealth through the commercialization of research, innovation, and education. For example, innovation and commercialization orientation, university focus on developing technology and products that can be sold on the market, collaboration with the industry and the private sector. Universities work closely with companies to develop innovate projects and products developed to spins and startups. Universities encourage the creation and speed of and startups to communicate to research and innovation develop. Mistake between university and business. Universities need to balance their public missions with the need to generate income and wealth need to capitalism entrepreneurial knowledge, the university must find ways to monetize its knowledge and expertise.
Hello, my name is Jocelyn and I'm going to tell you about main findings about entrepreneurial education. We have some points. At first place, we have market-driven models. Universities adopt entrepreneurial approaches for revenue, focusing on marketable programs. The next is mission shift. Emphasizes on profit alters the core mission from public service to profit-driving goals, affecting quality and access. And the next is implementation variability. Some universities integrate entrepreneurial education well. Others, especially in Latin America, struggle due to resource limitation. And the next is global competitiveness pressure. Institutions aim to improve rankings, prioritizing research and marketable innovation over traditional values. And the next is equity challenges. The entrepreneurial model can worsen access inequality, favoring programs that attract funding. And the last one is governance changes. Shifts towards entrepreneurship may compromise academic autonomy and democratic governance. So these findings highlight the complex dynamics and implications of integrating entrepreneurial education within higher education institutions in the Americas.
My name is Niola, my name is Derlis Tumbaco, and I am going to answer the question, what type of study was applied? In the research study titled Academic Capitalism and the Entrepreneurial University, Some Perspectives from the America, applied a qualitative approach, and now I am going to explain why. As a first point, it cannot be quantitative because it's not about numbers, it's about aspects such as, number one, exploratory nature. In this research, the qualitative approach was used in order to examine how universities are adapting mark-oriented strategies. Number two, focus on perspectives. As the same title of this approach says, Perspectives from the America, it's obvious that put emphasis on understanding the viewpoints and experiences using methods like interviews, case studies, or document analysis. And for last, theoretical grounding. The subject of academic capitalism often involves topics like neoliberalism, globalization, and commercialization of knowledge. Qualitative studies frequently engage in theory testing or theory building, which could be the case in here. Thank you. Next, my partner.
The article concludes that academic capitalism has profoundly changed universities, especially in the United States and Latin America, forcing them to compete in a global market where earning income and meeting international rankings take priority over their educational and social functions. However, the author suggests that Latin America has the opportunity to adapt these concepts critically instead of simply copying neoliberal models from North American universities. So Latin American universities, especially those in Brazil, could apply the concept of absorbing what is useful from academic capitalist practices and rejecting what does not benefit their social and educational context. So the article invites universities to resist the pressures of academic capitalism, maintaining their autonomy, academic freedom, and commitment to the public good in order to avoid becoming mere producers of degrees and patents. Thank you very much.